We decided to get takeaway. I am going to get Asian here. Excuse me. That's okay. Hello. Good, thank you. Can I please get the teriyaki fish meal?
Teriyaki fish meal.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Why are you filming?
I just wanted to get the memory in here. That's all. But if you don't like me filming, I can stop now. Do you want me to stop now? I can't hear you.
As long as I look good.
You look good. Ooh, this was $12.90, and I already brought my own lemon water, sparkling water, so I'm gonna eat it with this. What did you get?
I got something really healthy.
Oh.
Big Mac.
Oh, how much was it?
I don't know. Places.
Oh, by the way, we got this camera too. Dave's camera. So we're gonna film a bit of good scenery in Margaret River with this camera.
Sound good?
Oh, smells so good. Smells so good. Okay. Whoa, focusing.
Deli laughs at me when I eat chips because I eat too many at one time. This is Yelly eating a chip.
Not that slow.
But when I eat chips, I get too excited because I'm hungry and the chips are yummy. So I do this.
You should Dave's way. Grab. I grab like this. He grabs with this. And then like that.
You fit more in your mouth. Yummy.
This is actually really good. If you ever come to Bunbury, if you love Asian food, just go to the noodlers and order teriyaki.
And if you like hamburgers, McDonald's does alright.
They're everywhere.
Are they?
Mm.
Didn't know
Well,
that. Yelly, what's wrong? Get ready to run.
what are you really gonna do? They're really yummy. Oh, it's flying, it's flying.
Oh, one more kangaroo. So we're in Dunsborough. Really nice, beautiful town, but finding it really hard to find a cafe around here. Maybe we're just in the wrong spot, but just can't find one. How do you feel about that, Yelly?
So, coffee cup.
Found one. Here we are. Merchant and Maker General Store. Okay, so this was a coffee shop, but coffee shuts at 2. Let's keep looking. Oh, Deli. That's us. Okay, we found some more. We have Taz's Bakery and Ocky's, if we can see it. There we go. Yeah, it's really nice. The grill, which is really nice. Yeah. So now we're at the beach, going to have a look at some nice views, and then we'll go get dinner. So see how we go.
We are
Looking for somewhere to eat. That's a good place, but we want to find somewhere else.
somewhere else. It's 7:05. Very hungry. But we had so much fun at the beach, so we don't mind. In Margaret River. What do you want?
It all looks really good. Very happy.
Are you relaxed, husband?
Yes, big day.
Big day today, wasn't it?
Time for bed.
I have a question though.
Yeah?
What are those?
They're called my socks.
I mean,
Oh, those.
these ones.
Well, we got a little bit cheeky and thought we deserved dessert.
And these are our dessert?
Yes.
Are we gonna eat it with something else too?
Let's have some tea.
Aww. And probably watch something before we go to bed.
Movie time.
Yes. We're gonna relax now and then film again tomorrow morning?
Yep.
Okay, do you wanna say good night
Night
together?
night, everyone.
Night night. Everyone who? Good morning.
Good morning.
We're gonna have
French
breakfast.
toast.
Yes. ordered 2 beef sausage, and 2 croissants. Having lunch. Tired. Last job. Going home. She's going home. Wow, nice sky today. Yay! Dave, finally home.
Finally home. What a
Well
good
done.
weekend.
Yes. Well done, us.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. We didn't clip. Hey, Dave, we didn't clip. 1, 2, 3.